Hey everyone, Mike Sherry here with Paul Sherry Industrial Park. We are in Piqua, Ohio, a minute away from exit 78 off Interstate 75. And today I've got a brand new building to show you that's currently for lease. This is our newest speculation building that we have built. It's a 40,000 foot building. We'll get to that in just a second here. Part of the building was a road extension. This is Homer Drive off of 25A in Piqua. Part of that, it opens up 30 extra acres for development. Got two sites ready right here with utilities already ran to them and road frontage. So if you're looking to build a building, build to suit, we can help you out there. See, we got the water tower as our neighbor, so we got plenty of water. Electric's great, City of Piqua power, so no trouble with utilities there. All right, onto this building here, 40,000 foot. It's got two 14 by 14 drive-in doors and two semi-dock doors. Those doors are big enough here, the 14 by 14, you can pull a semi inside. Coming down here, the semi-dock does have drains, and they're gravity-fed drains, not the pump. So no maintenance there to worry about. Got our grass coming in a little bit. Parking lot right here, all asphalt, ready to go. Really competitive rental rate on this. We've got assistance from Jobs Ohio, and we have, from my research, the most competitive rate in the industry in Western Ohio. And it's a brand new building. So we come in, the man door here, light switch here. This works all the ceiling lights. Let me turn them off. And I'll click the switch on. All LED lights, very efficient, high bay. The clear height on this building at the low point is 30 foot. The high point is about 35 foot. The other important thing about this building, it does have the sprinkler system that's needed to be able to stack that high. So a lot of times you'll get into a building that's tall, even some 20-foot tall buildings, but unless you're stacking concrete blocks, you can't stack things because it doesn't have the right type of sprinkler in there. We put the ESFR sprinkler in here, and I'll talk about that more once we get to the pump room. Off to the right here, we do have about 1,000 foot of built-out office space here. We do everything but the carpeting. So it's got doors, locking doors. Electric all ran through. Beside every electric outlet, there is another outlet here. That's where you run your IT, your Ethernet, or phone cables. There's 3 spaces in here. So probably a private office off either side and maybe a reception area as you walk in the door. It is heated and cooled, the office space. The warehouse is heated. All LED lighting in this, nice tall ceilings. All right, coming on down here in the build out is your pump room and utility room. In order to be able to stack all the way to the ceiling, you have to have a really big sprinkler system. And we've invested in that to allow that to be able to happen. Basically, you install a sprinkler pump here to allow pressure to be great enough to be able to adequately stack cardboard plastics up to 30 foot. So, yeah. Also in this room here, we do have conduit coming out from the street for your IT, whether it's Spectrum or fiber optic to come in to the building. So that's already out at the street, so the company can go ahead and run right through that conduit. Concrete in this, we get that question a lot. 6-inch deep concrete on 4-inch compacted gravel. You got your heater up there. Restrooms and janitor's room back here. You got men's and women's. Water fountains. Basic restroom. Heated and cooled. Floor drains. Men's is the same, just has a toilet and a urinal. And then your janitor closet here has a mop sink back here. And your furnace for the office space. Column spacing from here to there is about 65 foot. And then your east-west, so from here to here, it's about 28 foot. And that's throughout the building. Got two more band doors in the rear of the building. Fully insulated with the most up-to-date insulation. Does have the liner panels that go at 8 foot tall. And also, we prop them up a little bit so you do have some concrete here, your foundation, so the tow motor is not going to hit them when you're getting a skid or picking up a piece of equipment. So nice having those liner panels, keep the insulation and the inside of the building looking and standing tall. It's quite a large building. We've had a few tenants inquire upon this. We've got a couple that are really interested. Just haven't pulled the trigger yet. But this building is currently for lease at a great rate. We also, like I mentioned, if you're looking for a space to build or a community to build in, definitely check out Paul Sherry Industrial Park. We're a minute off Interstate 75 and exit 78. You can contact us through the marketing channels that you're watching this on. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact. Thanks for watching.